Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are doing good and you had gone through our first video of English language. In the first session we had a brief introduction of the syllabus and also we had an introduction of chapter 1 from Beehive. In this session we are going to have the detailed study of the chapter 1, the fun they had. We will take the first three paragraphs, Margie even to county inspector. This story is set in the future 2157 where there will be no school, no normal schools, no teachers, no books like us. So the two characters in this story, Margie and Tommy, one day they find a real book. They were very surprised to see that book. They were curious to know about the content of the book. So what they find in that book, that is what we are going to read in this story. How the children felt, so that is in this story. Hope you all will enjoy it, and for your convenience I had written the meanings below, the hard words, the meanings of some hard words, and also given some pictures to make it more clear. So let's start with the first paragraph. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book." So Margie one day, that is on 17th May 2157, she wrote in her diary that Tommy had found a real book, and that book was very old. You can guess it why it was very old, because in the future there will not be any books, so that book might have been many centuries old. She remembered Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. She remembered, after seeing the book, she remembered that her grandfather had told that her grandfather's grandfather used to have such kind of books. All stories were printed on paper. So the book was as old as Margie's grandfather's grandfather. And because the book was old, the pages were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means full of creases, full of folds. You can see the notebook of your previous year, the old notebook, that it is all folded. The pages are folded. So this book, this old book, it is also full of, so it is also full of folds, and the pages were yellow, and it was awfully funny, and it was really funny. Awfully means very funny. It was very funny to read words. Why the children find it very funny? Because the words were still. It was not moving as they used to have. They have these children in the future, they have the textbooks on their computer screen or the television screen, and that text used to keep on moving. So when they saw the book with the words which was still not moving, they found it very funny. And then when they turned back to the page before, after reading it, then when they turned it back again, when they turned it, the words were same. It had not changed even. So that thing was very funny for the children. So when the children found the book, when they see the book for the first time, they find the book really funny. The feeling was very funny because the two reasons are given. First, the words were still. It was not moving like the way they were supposed to on a screen. Second, when they turned back to the page before, it has the same words on it. It had not changed. And what was the second feeling? Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. So gee means it is an expression like oh. Tommy said, oh, what a waste. So the second feeling is they thought that this book is a waste. The reason is Tommy had guessed it right. After studying, what do you do? The previous year textbooks and notebooks, what do? You just throw it away, or maybe you give it away. So the same way Tommy guessed the right thing. He said, when you are through with the book, when you have finished the book, you throw it away. But our television screen, but these children, they have millions of books in their television screen, in their computer, and that computer can store many more. And he said that he will never throw that away. Margie also agreed that she will also never throw that computer, or maybe she will never throw the books again. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. The age of these children are, Margie was 11 and Tommy was 13 years old. Margie was 11, so she had seen less books than Tommy. Telebooks means books on television screen. So these children, Tommy had more books than Margie. The age of the children are 11 and 13. So Margie asked, where did you find it? She asked, where did Tommy find the book? And he said that, he replied that he had found the book in his house in the attic. Attic means a space inside the roof. You can see from the picture, people used to make small space under the roof where they can store the things. Maybe their parents or grandparents had kept that book in the attic. So he found that book from the attic. And what was in that book? It was about the school. So when you hear this word school, you have lots of sweet memories. Maybe it is unforgettable memories. But these children, what about these children? How they felt when they come to know about that the book is about school, how they feel. Let's read further. Margie was scornful. School, scornful means showing contempt. You can see the expression I have given. Scornful means when you don't like anything, you make a face. So she also made the face like the same, and she said, school, what is there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. So when we talk about school, you are fortunate, we are fortunate that we have schools, like we have real schools. Where we can go and meet our friends, we have real teachers, we have real books, and we have lots of fun in the school. But it was not like the schools in the future. The schools in the future is all mechanical. There is no fun. That's why Margie hated school. But she hated it more. What was the reason? She hated it more because the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So she hated the school more because the mechanical teacher, as we had discussed in the beginning, the schools of the future will have robotic teachers. So the mechanical teacher was giving her test after test in geography, and she was not able to do it good. She was doing it worse and worse, and at last her mother, she gave up. She was very sad. Sorrowfully means sadly. So she was very sad and sent for the county inspector. Who is county inspector? It's not like our police inspector. It's like a person who repair the mechanical teachers or the robots. So she sent for the county inspector. Maybe she thought the mechanical teacher is doing something wrong. She thought like that. So she sent for the county inspector to have a look at the mechanical teacher. So that is it, your chapter for this session. And then in the next session we will come to know more about the schools of the future and more about the schools of the present. So how the children felt and how the children missed the school. That is all about we are going to read in the next session. Hope you all had enjoyed it, and I want you to note down the words and their meanings, and then you can learn it, and I will give you the assignment in your assignment session. You can go through that by that time. Thank you.